In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door window belt weather strip on your Toyota Tundra. Remove the tweeter cover, pull straight down from the top, and then pull it out of the door. There's this little clip that'll fold in, pull it out of there. Loosen the three 10mm nuts on the mirror. You do not need to fully remove them. Using a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver, go behind the weather strip and pull it up. Slightly lift up your mirror and pull out the old one. Remove all of the clips from the door. Grab the new one. Slightly lift up the mirror. The inside of this clip, this part will sit inside of the metal. And click it into place. Snug the bolts down on the mirror. And reinstall the cover. Make sure you put this little tab in this square first. Push this back down, and then push the top part in to click it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.